Hi, my name is John Walsh with Logic Group. One of the useful features of Logic Trace software is I can move the commands onto a cell phone or an iPad, make it much easier to trace. I'm going to simply put the iPad right there on the middle of my drawing. I'm going to click Trace Start. I'm going to start with a line, and then I'm just going to start digitizing here. I now have an arc, switch to an arc. Then I switch to a curve. I've got a curve here. Just do those buttons along that curve. So easy to digitize using that iPad in the middle of the board there. The arc, now I switch over to the line over here and do that point there. I've got another arc, that point to that point, switch to a curve, do those points there. Then I'm going to finish up with an arc, and then I am all finished. Click stop, and I've got a great outline. Thank you.